So like if I want to get started, right? I have no background. I'm not technical. I have
Yeah.
no background in crypto. And like what's my first step? I buy some Ethereum or some Bitcoin on some exchange, or what do I do?
Yeah, you buy some, first of all, I don't deal much with Bitcoin. I deal mostly with Ethereum. I'm mostly on Ethereum. Like
Yeah.
that's where all the innovation is happening. So that's where I spend most of my time. So in order to start to participate, what you need to do is you need to go on Coinbase or Binance and buy Ethereum and then move it into probably a MetaMask wallet. And MetaMask is just a wallet. It's a web wallet that exists in your browser, and it allows you to connect to all these different applications. So once you have some Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet, then you can interact with DeFi. And each time you do a transaction, it costs a little bit of Ethereum, right? So at the beginning, it's going to be, pretty expensive, and you're not going to be making money. You're probably going to be losing money when you make these transactions. But the best thing to do is to interact with some of the most basic ones. For example, Compound. So Compound allows you to borrow and lend tokens. And in this new situation, when you're just getting started, getting familiar with like USDC, which is a dollar stable coin, is something that is going to be critical for understanding how DeFi works. And USDC is just a token that represents $1 in a bank account. It's very simple. So you can right now go on Compound and you can earn approximately 15% annually on your USDC. And when you compare that with your bank account, it's probably 100 times or more what you're making in your bank account. And, Compound is relatively secure in the sense that it's never been hacked. It has a very good team. So I would feel very comfortable leaving money there for, a long period of time. So if you have some Ethereum and you have some USD coin, which you can also buy in Coinbase, or you can use Uniswap, which is also a very integral part of how DeFi works. Uniswap allows you to exchange between different tokens. That's exactly what I do. So I would try to acquire some Ethereum, acquire some USD coin, and then deposit that USD coin into Compound and start to gain some interest